Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new corrupt mutation in Grow a Garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. Grow a Garden has just dropped new corrupt mutation, and then if you want to get the mutation, you just need to join the event, and the event happens in every 1 hour, just like the tranquil mutation. And now the event is coming. As you can see that the corrupt mutation aurora is coming, and then guys, you will get new stand here, and you can grow a tree here by submitting your corrupted fruit. And then here we will have kitsune. You can submit your tranquil and corrupted fruit, and then you'll be able to get rewards, and these are the rewards you can earn. And wait, I'm going to click on who are you. Okay, you can feed the kitsune with tranquil and corrupted mutation, and of course you will still see the channeler guy or the Zen channeler right there. And then here I'm just going to check my garden. Okay, and some of my fruits already got the corrupt mutation guys, and then you can submit it to collect the reward. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.